Hey everyone, thanks so much for coming to Seed Club Demo Day. Really an honor to present alongside so many incredible projects. I want to begin by talking about one of our biggest learnings from Seed Club. If you want to succeed as a DAO, you really need to listen to your contributors. You need to be willing to understand what's not working and look at your problems straight in the face with a clear head. Speaking of which, we all share a problem. We live on a planet that's warming at an alarming rate. We emit about 51 gigatons of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere every year. Scientists predict that to avoid the most catastrophic impacts of climate change, we need to limit global heating to 1.5 degrees Celsius, above pre-industrial levels. We need to reach net zero emissions by 2050 and reach about a 50% reduction from today's levels by 2030. Otherwise, we could face anything from economic disruption to a complete breakdown of our social fabric. It'll take nothing short of an economic transformation. The thing is, just 100 companies have been the source of more than 70% of the world's greenhouse gas emissions since 1988. Governments have failed to regulate giant corporations, and giant corporations have failed us by opting for short-term profits over long-term value. You may be asking yourself, are we screwed? Well, it depends on what we do today. We've actually come really far in developing technologies for the energy transition: solar, wind, nuclear, geothermal, and many more. We're technologically capable of solving humanity's largest problem, but what remains is a roadblock of governance. Yes, governance. How can we get companies to take action that benefits the climate through improved governance? Most people don't know that public companies actually operate a lot like DAOs. In DAOs, we know that tokens let you vote on proposals to shift the direction of the organization, right? Well, if you own shares in a public company, you also have a say in what it does. Most people don't know this or exercise this right, and that's because most of them don't own enough shares to be heard by the public companies and the people running them. But if you have enough people aligned behind the same mission, you can make real change. Climate DAO, we're using our collective voice to get large companies to move the needle on the climate crisis. We'll use money raised from a token launch to buy enough shares in companies that will urge to take action using our collective voice. Token holders will decide which companies we choose to take action and what actions they should take. The last year, we've cultivated relationships with some of the largest asset managers in the world, built a platform to scale shareholder activism, and are ready to start targeting the climate crisis's worst offenders. You can join Climate DAO as a member, angel, or climateer. We're also accepting applications for our fellowship program, which you can access using the QR code in the Demo Day resources chat. Join us to fight climate change with blockchain, because our world is non-fungible. Thank you.